In order to turn on gift card rewards for your employees, you must have paid allowances set up. To turn on gift cards, from Admin, click Gift Cards in the Rewards section. From here, you can browse all available gift cards in all countries and either individually select which gift cards you would like to turn on, or click Turn All Cards On to turn on all available gift cards for your employees. If you'd like to offer all gift cards in all countries, be sure to check that you have all countries selected in the Countries filter. To see what these rewards look like to your employees when they redeem them, click the Home icon. Click Rewards and the Gift Cards tab. And from here, your employees can browse all the gift cards you have enabled. Once they have enough points to redeem a gift card, they'll be able to select that reward.